welcome back to the Racing Brick YouTube channel. And today I'm not gonna do another a race car or any racing Lego, but it's gonna be another Lego set, and this one in particular is the Lego City Family House. It has 388 pieces, and the set number is 60291. It comes with 4 minifigures, a mom and a dad, looks like, and 2 younger siblings, a sister and a brother. And it comes with a dog and a little washing station, and it comes with the electric car, a little picnic station. They're playing hockey and the mom's cooking up there, and it comes with two rooms up there. Once again, this is the new road play system again, so somehow I'll have to integrate that in there. But let's not waste any other time, and let's crack into this. So weirdly enough, it doesn't come from the sides, it comes to the bottom. I'm going to do that because there's like a little thing here you can do that. So let me open these up. It looks like that's it. It looks like there's 5 number bags. And this, yep. And blue big turquoise brick separator. I don't have one of those. And a big thick one of these books come in a little bag, and there's a sticker sheet in there. Anyway, have fun, and I might do a review at the end. I probably will, and stay tuned. Bye. that the set is finished, let's take a little review. I really enjoy this set for $60 US in euros. The first I didn't cover that. I forgot to give you a look at the little 1x1 black circular tiles as the hockey pucks, as the dad and the son is playing. He's a Lego Ninjago fan. You can see in his roof, in his little room. And these are all popped off. It's like a mini modular, like, because it's Lego City. It's not like Lego Creator 3-in-1. You have bed, and he's got a poster, radio, and like a minifigure. He's got a little sword. And then let's continue with the minifigures. I don't know if you would consider a dog a minifigure, but you got like a little golden retriever, which is really cool. I really like that. There's even like a turd, or as like a custard piece. And you got that girl who has the shorts, the short pant pieces, but these one move. And she's got a new unique hair piece with the hat and the hair piece connected. And she has two different faces, and she's sitting there brushing a dog, and this is a little rubbery. And then we have the mom, who's cooking up a turkey leg, chicken leg piece on the grill. And there's an Albert there, which is kind of big for its size, and it's kind of sticking out, so I might have to change that and make an actual real knob. Anyway, there's weeds coming across the house with some flowers on it, and these pieces are siding. There's carrots getting ready to pop out, and this is really cool. I like how this usually got stuck on the side here, so you can just stick wrenches and other little tools you can add. And there's an electric car hybrid station. They could have called it a modern family house, because now it's 2021. There's electric cars as this one. See it? I guess you plug it in right there. No, it's done. You put it up. It's octane is the regular gas and oil, but octane E is electric, I guess. But apart from that, there's like a hot dog with hot dog bun, a water can. And then we have the other little modular half. There's a guitar, and there's a paintbrush that fell out of the cup. I don't know what that thing is. I guess that's supposed to be some design. There's some artwork hanging. And speaking of modern, yeah, I guess because it's 2021, Lego wants us to remind us to wash our hands, I guess. Anyway, which you should do that anyway. But there's a little shower standing there, and I don't know if that's like a toilet, because I'm guessing it looks like a toilet bowl. There's a hole there, or it's just a sink. No, that's a sink, or something else. But that's really it. And I think I've seen other pictures of this boy's gaming room, and this even pops off too. But I think there was a TV, that little TV right there was up in that little boy's room up here. Or I could be mistaken, but there's it's kind of big, moving around. There's a gaming console and a drink, and sitting on a couch. And then I don't know what this whole door frame is for. I don't know how you're gonna get back there with the couch and everything. But then there's like a little kitchen area, like ovens, and they're trying to blend an apple, and there's a pan or a coffee station, and there's like a cherries in there. But that's pretty much it, really. yeah, I really enjoyed the build. I really enjoyed. Oh crap! Should have put another thing there. Stud piece. Anyway, I really enjoyed this build for $60. Yeah, there's another door right here, I guess. And yeah, there's solar panels. There's solar panels too, so that's another modern day of house, I guess. There's a lot of extra pieces in this box, and I'll show you. And apart from these are just the hair and hat pieces to the hockey players. There's a lot of little pieces. There's a extra blue roller skate and an extra red one. There's a little antenna from the radio. There's even a weenie, a hot dog. There's even a hot dog or carrot stem. There's even an extra one of these. I was surprised to find another one of these, and even one of these little swords, because these are cost quite expensive for a piece. And I don't know about this one, but that's the minifigure display, I guess, in the world. And there's an extra flower, and there's an extra paintbrush, and an extra one of those custard turd things, and more cherries, and this bottle thing, and one with the, and yeah, and there's some 1x1 tiles, an extra one of these. But yeah, that's surprising. A lot of random extra pieces they give us, but besides that they give us the new roof plate system. What I didn't really like is how this is gray, and you can kind of see that from here in this corner. It could have been like a dark gray and blended in well with that. That would have been cool. But somehow I'm gonna integrate this into my city. After I build the Townhouse Toy House Creator 3-in-1 module, I have to get everything evaluated. But yeah, this anyway, I want to show you this little electric car. Again, this is a weird windshield, and there's another one, those 1x2 30-degree angles, new dashboard pieces, and it looks like you can fit 2 minifigures in there. One and then 2 maybe, and then you something standing up, like this little one standing up maybe, and then there's some extra room to put something else, like the hockey sticks or the hair pieces and the food. But yeah, it's 2x4. I just don't like seeing random studs pop up everywhere, but this will be under here, so you won't really see it as much. But that's all really much I have for today in this little this big build. I'm gonna soon make my way up to an actual modular, like Creator 3-in-1 soon, and the McLaren Senna GTR Technic set. But anyway, just please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. And because now that these builds are getting bigger, and I'll probably feature more of these bigger sets, and it takes a lot of time, so just at least leave a like and comment at least something that you seen it and you liked it and enjoyed it. That's all I pretty much ask. You don't have to do all that other crazy stuff, hit the bell. But anyway, just do that. I'll be happy, satisfied. But other than that, have a good day, and that's all for now. Bye.